Hi, this is Alan at Ripper Resources LLC, and today I want to announce our newest product, and it's Packout and Wall mount mounts for the 2737-20 D handle and the 2737B barrel handle jigsaws. We'll offer the Packout mount in two colors, red and black, and we will offer the wall mount versions in the same colors, red and black. To install the mount on the Packout wall plate, simply line it up in the column, push it in, and push it down. You'll hear our signature click. It tells you that it's locked into place. To remove the mount from the Packout wall plate, simply depress the tabs, push straight up, and pull out. To install it, place the top of the jigsaw base plate and touch the base plate of the mount. Push straight up and allow the saw down here to just fall into place. And once you push it all the way up, it'll go against the back plate and it'll fall into position. And when it's there, you can see that it's mounted securely. It's not going to come off. To remove it from the mount, push straight up in a rocking manner, let it fall out. The tendency will be for you to try to push it in on an angle like this, and it's just not going to fit. Make sure you try to push it straight against the back plate, and when you pull it out, just let the tool fall out. It will touch the back end of the base plate of the jigsaw. That's by design, so we have a secure way of mounting the saw to the Packout wall. It might take a little bit to get used to the mechanics of installing it and getting it out, but we want to make sure that there's a good secure fit, good designed tight fit, so that the saw doesn't accidentally get bumped off of the mount. The jigsaw is has some length to it, and so it takes up 3 rows of a single column. If you have 2 of these mounts, or if you want to mount something next to it, you can. The wall mounts have the same mounting mechanism that the Packout mounts have. It's just that they're for a wall. So you'll have 2 mounting holes 5 inches apart, and they'll accept a number 10 or a number 5 fastener. These mounts are available today on our website, rippertonresources.com. Ripperton Resources offers 3D design, 3D scanning, and 3D printing services. We can work with a wide range of materials, from general purpose materials to engineering materials to high performance materials and even ultra performance materials. Nearly all of our Milwaukee tool mounts are suggestions from customers. We've worked with them to provide a solution, and then we've made those available to you. If you have a custom application or product idea, we'd love to discuss it with you and show you how we can bring that idea to reality. For more information, you can visit our website at rippertonresources.com, or you can email us directly at contact@rippertonresources.com. Thank you and have a great day.